Hey friends, Luck here. Welcome back to another video. So today we're having a look at the Oppo Reno 7. So this is the limited edition, the League of Legends edition. This is actually quite a unique phone. It is customized absolutely from top to bottom, and it does feel and look absolutely amazing. They definitely paid attention to every single detail that you can have about this phone, and it definitely is a unique phone and will definitely give you a unique feel. But the thing with this phone is it is still the Oppo Reno 7, just a customized version. So you can only get this version in the IS base model, which is a 12 gig RAM and a 256 gig ROM version of this phone. So it is the Oppo Reno 7 Pro. Everything with this and the original Oppo Reno 7 Pro are actually exactly the same thing, apart from the customizations that you get on this particular device. So only the customization is different, but everything else in terms of something like the camera, in terms of the gaming ability of this phone, are absolutely the same. But you do get some unique things with this phone, and that comes inside the box of the Oppo Reno 7 limited edition. So you get a specialized case. This is the Jinx case, and it does look absolutely beautiful and definitely feels absolutely premium. You can definitely customize this phone anyhow you like. So in terms of navigation, like I said, it is exactly like the original Oppo Reno 7 Pro. Everything is the same. You don't really get much of any difference when it comes to the whole feel of the phone in general. You have the same performance when it comes to gaming. It runs exactly the same way. Both of them are quite smooth and quite amazing when it comes to gaming. So I don't expect any problem when it comes to anything like that. You will definitely enjoy the phone because obviously this has 12 gigabytes of RAM, which is absolutely crazy when you're thinking about that in a phone. It's definitely something that you would enjoy. So in terms of the camera, like I said, the camera for me is exactly the same. There's no difference. It's just the customization of the phone that is different. The camera is exactly the same with that of the original Oppo Reno 7 Pro. We are just getting a whole customization around the look. But definitely the phone does look absolutely beautiful and absolutely premium. You will definitely get what you are looking for with this limited edition League of Legends phone from Oppo. And definitely, if you do decide to pick this up, I am very well sure you are going to enjoy it. So you can just look at the other Oppo devices and you would see that there's really not much of any difference when it comes to the design, especially if you're not someone who nitpick. Thanks you guys so much and see you guys in the next one.